It's 8 in the morning. A handsome boy is sleeping on the bed. Suddenly, someone opened the door and shouted, Mr. Jungkook, wake up. It is already 8 a.m. Today, your first day, so do not be late for college. Remember, you are the professor, not the student. Please get ready quickly and come downstairs. I made you a breakfast, she says, and walk away. The cook slowly opens his eyes and sits up. He yawns and stretches. He is about to go to washroom and he hears someone calling him. It's me, your author. Jungkook, introduce yourself. Jungkook, oof, this stupid girl. Hey, utility girl. I don't have a time to introduce myself. So you introduce me. By the way, you don't do any work, right? You just sit at the home, eat, use your phone, get scolded by your mom, and do nothing, right? So introduce me. Author, oof, don't start your lecture like my mom. Okay, first let your mom come with a stick. Check OMG, if she comes, I'll finish, okay? Bye. Bye, little girl. Author, you idiot, don't call me a little girl, okay? I'm a big girl, okay? Check, okay, ये big girl who's still watching cartoons. Author, you also see the Dora cartoon so many times, right? Sure, don't tell anyone. Author, then don't call me little girl. Check, you know what? It's my mistake to argue with a dumb person like you. Author, you, before she hit him, JK hurriedly went inside the bathroom. It's introduction time, guys. Jian Jakku, age 26, profession, professor at Seoul University, parents, Mr. Jun and Mrs. Jun. Personality, cute, sensitive, kind, sweet, sometimes strict. Siblings, no one. Relationship, single. So came to the dining table after freshen up. Mrs. Jim, oh, you are here. Okay, sit down. I will serve your breakfast. Jim sat on the chair. Mrs. Jim began serving breakfast: warm rice, kimchi, rolled omelets, and sweet soup. Mrs. Jim, eat well, my son. You need energy for your first day. Jim, thank you, Mama. It smelled delicious. He started eating slowly, a little nervous but trying to hide it. Mrs. Jim, okay, today your first day, so don't be nervous, okay? Everything will be fine. Just be yourself. All the best. Jungkook. Thank you, Appa. I'll do my best. After 10 minutes. Jungkook. Appa, Amma, I will get going now. He stood up and grabbed his bag, adjusted his coat. Mr. Jun, alright, sweetheart. Take care and do your best. Mr. Jun, take care, make us proud, and don't forget to eat, okay? Jungkook, okay, Mom and Dad, bye. I love you. Mr. Jun, I love you too, son. 30 minutes later, Jakku stood in front of the college gate. Jungkook to himself, don't be nervous, Suki. He took a deep breath and walked confidently towards the building. 10 minutes later, he reached the principal's office. The principal greeted him and began explaining the college rules, staff responsibility, and expectations. After some time, he handed Jungkook his teaching schedule. Principal, here is your schedule. I wish you to the best. Jungkook, thank you, sir, for this opportunity. I won't disappoint you. Principal, no need to thank me, Mr. June. As the principal, it's my duty to select the best for my student. Jungkook gave a small smile and nodded. Principal, come on, Mr. June, let me introduce you to the your student. They walked together towards the second year classroom. Principal, attention student, starting today you will have a new teacher, Mr. Jeon Jungkook. He will be teaching business. I accept you to treat him with a respect and give him your full attention. He turned to Jungkook and said, Principal, Mr. Jungkook, please introduce yourself. I'll leave you to it now. Have a good day, everyone. The principal walked out with a warm smile. Jungkook, hi everyone. I'm Jeon Jungkook. You can call me Mr. June or Professor June. I'll be your business teacher. He paused and looked around the class. Jungkook, a few things about me: I don't tolerate bullying. I hate latecomers, and I didn't expect project to be submitted on the time. If not, I'll deduct the marks. The student nodded. Some seemed nervous while the other whispered among themselves. Jungkook, don't worry, I'm strict, but I'm also fair. If you work hard, you'll have no problem in my class. Let's begin, shall we? Meanwhile, in Paris, Time launched the beach wearing sunglasses, sitting between tables, laughing, enjoying the sunny view. His phone buzzed beside him. He glanced at the caller ID, smiled, and answered the call. Sugar, when are you coming back, buddy? Without you, this college is so boring. I'll be back in a week. Sugar, just enjoying a little vacation. Sugar, come faster. Seriously, I'm losing my mind here. Ouch. Why did you hit me, Jimin? Jimin, you deserve it. Sugar, what I did even do? What you say the time that without him, college is boring. The same college where you have been dragging me into storage room and empty classroom for a month. Sugar, baby, I didn't mean it like that. Jimin, whatever, don't call me baby. Go hang out with your best friend. Sugar, Jimin, come on, you know, I only say that because Tha is always so dramatic when he's away. Jimin, no listening. Jimin stomped off toward the classroom, clearly annoyed. Sugar, don't laugh. Thai, you are part of the problem. Thai laughing. Why are you shouting at me? I'm just sitting here. You are the one who messed up. Sugar, fuck off. Thai, same to you. Enjoy the drama. He chuckled, hung up the call, and leaned back into his beach chair and sighed. Thai to himself, just one more week of freedom. Introduction, Kim Taeyeon. Parent Kim Deon and Kim Yoon Hee. Age 20, best friend Min Yoongi and Park Jae-min. Enemy Cha In-woo. Personality flirty, playboy, jealous, possessive brand. Love to bully others. Study in Seoul University. Min Choga. Parents Mr. Min and Mrs. Min. Age 20, boyfriend Park Jae-min. Best friend Kim Tae-yeon. Personality cold to others and cute puppy to his friends. Love to pamper his boyfriend. Always there for his best friend. Love to sleep. Studying in Seoul University. Park Jimin. Parents Mr. Park and Mrs. Park. Age 20. Boyfriend Min Choga. Best friend Kim Taeyong. Personality sweet, caring, love his boyfriend so much. Study in Seoul University. After 1 week, here someone ride his bike speedily and stop his bike in front of someone. There is an inch gap between that person and the bike guy. That person put his hand on his heart and shouted at the bike guy. Choga, Kim Taeyong, are you out of your mind? Are you trying to killing me? Taeyong, chill buddy, I'm just playing. Sugar, what are you playing, you idiot? If you don't press that brake, I will definitely die, you idiot. Taeyong, why are you so angry? Take a chill pill. If Taeyong is here, nothing will gonna happen to you, bro. Sugar, whatever. Jimin, what's going on here? And Sugar and Tae turned their heads to see where the voice came from, and there was Jimin standing with both hands on his waist and raised eyebrows showing question eyes. Suga, look at your best friend Jimin. He tried to kill me. Tai, nothing, Jimin. I'm playing with him. Jimin, if you will kill me, I would be happy. Suga, baby, what are you saying? Jimin, I'm telling the truth. Tai and Jimin started to laugh and joke about it. Jimin tried to hug Suga. Suga, don't hug me. Go away from me. Jimin, why so cute, kitty? With lots of struggle, Jimin finally hugged Suga. Jimin, sorry kitty, I'm just joking. Suga, it's okay, but you have to take punishment for making fun of me. Jimin, what punishment? No way, I'm still sore. Suga, no excuses. Tai, hi guys, I'm also here. Suga, so what? Tai. Jimin, by the way, Tai, how is your vacation? Tai, it's good, Jimin. Suga, you're just good because you got a chance to taste foreign chicks, right? Jimin, I think your boyfriend is jealous because he never got a chance to experience foreign culture. Jimin, is that true, Mr. Suga? Suga. Baby, you don't believe him. I just love you, one. Jimin, no, you don't love me. Baby, listen. Jimin, no way. Away. Go away, idiot. Suga is flirting with Jimin and Jimin throws his hand at Suga. Suga tries to protect himself, calm Jimin, and Tai is enjoying the show. Suddenly, they hear a gun hand sound and the car owner started to shout at Tai. You idiot, don't you know where to park the bike? Tai, same to you, don't you know where to park the car, idiot? How dare to call me an idiot, you bastard? Tai, how dare to call me a bastard, you forgot? Holding Tai's collar and Tai holding his vocal. Both look at each other angrily if they are ready to kill each other. Jimin, Tai, please leave me, don't start a fight again. Tai, today I'm not going to leave him, Jimin. I will show him hell. Me too, Sugar. Stop this nonsense. Don't forget that you were suspended for 1 month because you both fought with each other 1 month ago. And the principal suspended you. And the principal suspended you and gave you a warning. If the principal finds out that you guys are fighting again, he will definitely give you a TC this time. Tai and Wu are still holding each other's collar and looking at each other at angrily. Someone, what's going on here? Introduction. Shah Invo. Parent Mr. Shah and Mrs. Shah. Age 20. Sibling Shah Bong. Best friend Kai. Personality sweet, caring, genius. Topper of the universe. Help others and never hurts anyone except Tai. Remember Kim Tai Ong. Jungkook's spa. I have come to the college. There is a big crowd. I don't know what happened, so I started to walk to the crowd. I see two people holding each other's collar. They look like they would kill each other anytime. So I asked them what's going on here. Jungkook's spa. End. Thanks, spa. Today I'm ready to kill this bastard, but suddenly I hear someone's voice. His voice like, honey. I don't know why I don't want to see the person's face, so I turn my head towards him. I'm looking at him, that's it, my whole world stopped. I have never seen such a beautiful person in my life. He looks like an angel falling from heaven. His black clear hair, soft forehead, beautiful eyes. I can see the whole galaxy. His chubby cheeks, I want to pat them fondly. Sleep, I can imagine kissing him them 24 hours and his mole under his lips while whispering most the inspired me the most. When I am looking at his whole body, his pretty slim waist perfectly fit in my long way and many hands and his short, cute height which can reach my chest. Seriously, I have never seen such this much beautiful person in my life. I have dated 48 girls in my life, but I never touched them. I don't know why I don't get attached to their faces and bodies. Also, when I try to kiss them, something stopped me. In was for me and they are ready to fight with each other generally. I didn't get involved in fights. I always mind my own business. But one day I touched my brother. That day is really horrible. The way he bullied my little brother. My parents are treated my brother like a little prince. We never hurt him, but his pastor hurt my brother very badly. So that I fought with him, and the principal get to know this and suspending me and there for 1 month with a warning. After 1 month today I came to college, but seeing that I'm getting angry again. We both ended up holding each other's collar, but suddenly I hear someone's voice. His voice was so small, but I want to see the person, so I turn my head in a person's direction. While looking at his face, that's just my whole world stopped. He looked like an angel in his eyes. Author, huh? In what? Author, stop dreaming about my cookie. But Tang is also dreaming about cookie, right? Author, so what if he is my tata? Can he dream about his cookie? You know my name, but I am so. Author, no way. Only my tata has right to dream about my cookie. I will see you later. Author, same to you. Now respectfully get out. Author. In time, you slowly loosen each other's collar and try to speak, but Jungkook interpret and say, Jungkook student, go to your classes and you both come follow me. Say that Jungkook started to walk to his cabin. You are lucky that you are safe. Why you are safe? Same to it. Jungkook is walking to his cabin and are following. Meanwhile, Tai sees Jungkook's bag and hesitates to his wide window. A good boy does not have any that's why. They reach Jungkook's cabin. Jungkook sat in his chair. Both Tai and Woo standing in front of Cookie. Jungkook, what's your name? Tai excitedly extends his hand for a handshake and says, hi beautiful, my name is Kim Taeyong. I'm the prince of this university. Cookie rolled his eyes and turned his face towards Inwo. Good morning, sir. My name is Shah Inwo. Yes, sir. Give him a proud smile. Here, our hero is feeling jealous, started to sulk because he does not pay attention to him. Most important, he is talking sweetly to his enemy. Jungkook, you are a good student and the topper of the university. Why are you involved in the fights? I am minding my own business, sir. He is the one who started the fight. Cookie turned his face to Tai and asked him to explain. No, sir, he is the one who started the fight. Don't believe him, sir. He is the one who started the fight. The fucker, how dare you say alive? How dare you call me a fucker, you dickhead? You stop this nonsense, shouting. You are a good student, don't involve yourself in this kind of things. Focus on your exam and career. Okay, sir, I won't repeat it again. Good. Go to your class. Okay, sir. Who goes out of the cabin? Jacob, you are a Kim Taeyong, right? Yes, beautiful. Jacob, stop. First, stop calling me beautiful. Don't you know how to respect the professor? Tai, what can I do for you? You look so beautiful. I have never seen such a beautiful person in my whole life. Tai, come close to Jank's face. There is an inch gap between Cookie and Tai. Tai bite his lips out of nervousness. No one has come this close to in this 26 years of life. He always set boundaries, but now a stranger has come this close to him who is none other than his student. They can nervously looking at the guy. What happened, Mrs. Kim? Why are you so nervous? Jungkook, Mrs. Kim nervously asked. Yes, Mrs. Kim. Jungkook, what nonsense are you talking about? Are you out of your mind? Why are you calling me Mrs. Kim? Because you are soon to be my Mrs. Kim. That's why I call you Mrs. Kim. Cookie irritably get up from his seat and comes in front of Tai, holding his collar tightly. He looks at him. Tai, wow, even in anger you look so hot, baby. Without saying anything, Cookie just laughed. Tai hold his cheek and look at Cookie in a shock because in 20 years of life, no one has raised their hands to Tai. No, don't sometimes parents pamper him so much. No, that's not the truth because they and give time everything, but they don't give him two things. One is love and other is time. Kim Hyun is a famous chef in Korea, and Kim Jae-won is #1 businessman in Korea. They are always busy with their works. In Tang's childhood, Tang's grandparents are the one who take care of him. In everyone thinks Tang is enjoying his life, but they don't know that he is craving for their love, time, and care which they fail to give him. Because of this, he searches for love, time, affection, and care in other people. That's why he dated so many people. Still, they fail to give him their love, even though some people show their love to him, his heart still doesn't accept it. He does not understand why he can't accept them. But now, what are you thinking, Mr. Kim? Tai gave him a boxy smile and says, Tai smart. Nothing, Mr. Kim, just thinking about how you look under me. Cookie irritated his teeth. Tai, oh, you look so cute. Jungkook, get out of my cabin right now. I won't go. What will you do? Jungkook, you. Tai started to take step towards Cookie. Jungkook, what are you doing? Tai. Cookie started to walk back. Cookie's back touched the wall and Tai put his right hand on Cookie's right side and started to kiss Cookie's left cheeks with his left hand. Cookie closed his eyes because of the touch. He does not know why he likes the touch. I think you are enjoying my touch. Cookie opened his eyes and looked at him angrily and hold his hand which was busy grazing his cheeks. Cookie took Cookie's hand, put it on in front of his lip and started to kiss the hand. Cookie tries to take his hand, but Tai hold it tightly like a kid hold his toy. Jungkook, what are you doing? Tai, I hold my wife hand on other hands. Tai and Cookie look at each other. One is looking at him angrily and the other looking at him full of love and naughty thoughts. Tai suddenly kissed Cookie on his lip. Cookie's mind went blank. He had no idea what just happened. In his 26 years of life, no one had ever dared to come close to him. He had always kept his distance, but now, out of nowhere, a stranger had kissed him without his permission. Yes, Tai is busy kissing. He does not know what will happen next, but right now his heart, mind, and body will tell to kiss Cookie. So he kissed him without any further thoughts. When he put his lips on Cookie's lips. He put his lips on Cookie. He loves the feeling. His lips taste like stop. He loves the taste to mother when that tries to under his toe. But he does not open his mouth, so he bites it. Cookie open his mouth, Tai enters. He explores Cookie's mouth. His whole body is on Cookie compared to it, is little less heavy, so can't bear his weight. So Tai lifted Cookie and made him sit on the floor without breaking the He started to hit the messages with his hand, but I still didn't leave and continued his Tai took his lips between his lips and started licking it like a lollipop. Tai enjoyed the kiss. Sometimes he bites and sometimes he licks it. Cookie is helpless because Tai is stronger than him. After 15, Tai left Cookie's mouth and started to lick it. After giving the lick, Tai moved away from Cookie's neck, smiling articulated and planted a final kiss on his neck and lips. When Tai looked at Cookie, he felt guilty for kissing without his permission. Tai, I'm sorry, I'm just lost control. JK, just get off my cabin right now. Tai, baby. Jungkook, just go please. Tai, okay, please take it. I don't mean to go to this. I just lost control. Please forgive me, but Jungkook, just go please. Tai, okay, left the cabin and Cookie locked the door. He opened his phone. Tears filled his eyes because he had given his first to his a play, and the most important is student. Jungkook looked at his neck, which was has one he was too worried. He does not have his makeup box. He does not carry the makeup box everywhere. He does not have this much interest in makeup. He just use makeup if there is any special. Otherwise, he don't use it. But right now, he needs it. He takes some time and remember his friend who is Nancy. He covers his neck with his shirt collar and goes to her cabin. Jungkook, may I come in, Nancy? Nancy, why are you asking permission, Cookie? Just come. Cookie gave a smile and come to the cabin. Nancy, what's up? Do you need anything? Jungkook, hi, biting his lips because of nervousness. Nancy, what happened? Are you okay? Jungkook, actually, Nancy, come on, tell me, don't be nervous. Mm, Jungkook, do you have a foundation? Jungkook, yeah, I'm asking you, do you have a foundation yet? Nancy, oh, Jungkook, oh, what oh, stupid, tell me if you have it or not. Nancy, yeah, why are you so angry? Jungkook, you are asking me why I am here, I am asking you, do you have a foundation loud, but still you don't understand me. Nancy, chill, I'm just in a shock. Jungkook, why are you shocked? I'm just asking about the foundation. I'm not asking you for an outing. Nancy, even you ask me for an outing, I won't be this shocked. Jungkook, what the heck? Nancy, okay, sorry. I will tell you a reason why I'm shocked, because the natural beauty is asking for foundation. Cookie's cheeks become strawberry. Nancy, oh, you look so cute with those red cheeks. Yeah. Jungkook, stop it. Telling her with a bunny smile. Nancy, by the way, why do you need the foundation? Look good and there is no oil on your face. Jungkook, why are you asking so many questions? If you don't want to give me, I will go and ask Era. Nancy, yeah, why are you getting angry? Okay, wait, I am giving you. You don't have to go to others. Cookie give a small smile to her. Nancy, here, take this. It's perfect for your skin color. Jungkook, thank you. Nancy, friends don't say thank you to each other. Jungkook, okay, I'm sorry. Nancy, sorry also. Jungkook, okay, madam. I don't say anything happened. Nancy, now happy? Give him a bright smile. Jungkook, okay, bye. I will see you later. Nancy, bye. After saying bye to Nancy, Yuki come to his cabin and open his phone's front camera and open the foundation box and start applying the foundation to his neck, covering the hickey. On the other hand, Thai start walking in the hallway. He does not see the people who come in front of him. He bumps into so many people, but still he is in his dreamland, thinking about Cookie and the kids, smiling like an idiot. The people who pass by Thai look at him weirdly. Thai come to the garden area, sit under the tree. Suga, why you are here? I have been searching you on the whole campus, but still Tai in his dream does not listen to Suga. Suga sit beside Tai. Suga, hey, what happened? Are you okay? Why is your face red? Do you have a fever? He still didn't respond to him. Suga, Tai, I'm asking you something. Don't make me angry. But still, Tai does not come out of his dreamland. Suga worried. Tai, don't scare me. Still, Tai does not respond. Suga can't take it anymore. He hits Thai back, and because of the hit, Thai comes out of his dreamland, started up his back and look at Suga, asking him angrily. Thai, hey, why are you hitting me, Suga? You asked me why I am hitting you, where I am shouting like a dog, but still you didn't respond me. What happened to you? Are you okay or not? I think your health is not okay. Let's go to the mental hospital. I know one mental hospital that treats patients like their own family. Come, let's go to the hospital. Thai, do you think I am mentally ill? Suga laughing. Of course, you are mental. Thai started to hit Suga, and Suga defend himself and hit Thai. Both of them hit each other like this, and 7 minutes passed. Both back away and sat on the ground and started to laugh. Suga, okay, enough. Now tell me what happened. Thai, actually, Suga, actually, Thai shy, actually, Suga boringly, actually, Thai shy, actually, Suga angrily. If you say actually again, I will kill you right now. Thai, okay, don't be angry. Suga, first tell me what happened. Thai, I, Suga, you, Thai, fell, Suga fell, Thai in, Suga in, Thai L, Suga L, Thai love, Suga, oh, love, okay. Thai shock, what okay? Thai Suga, so what, you fall in love, which is not a big deal. Thai, what the hell, I'm really falling in love.